Okay, so I would like us to try the class notebook so I can see some of the writing that you're doing and that we can celebrate it. So when you go onto Teams, if you're working on an iPad, because I would have shown you in the live session how to do it on a computer. Now it might look a little bit different on an iPad, as what it will look like is that you'll have your tabs up here, okay, and you've got all of our conversations and meetings up at the top there. Now files, if you ever want to upload anything, whether it's a PDF or a Word document, you can always add it into here, okay. Now, if you go on to more, you'll see that there is your class notebook. Okay, so I'm going to click on class notebook. Now, if you've never used class notebook before, you'll need to download this app called OneNote. Okay, you'll need to download OneNote. And when you click on it, it will take you to the App Store to download. So you just have to click download like you did with Teams. Then you'll sign in using your Microsoft username and password, okay, just like you do with Teams. It's not a different password, it's exactly the same. And it will start to look like this. Now it won't look familiar to the one on the screen because all the things that you have got, now you can delete these ones. Once you've had a read about what class notebook is, you can delete them just down at the trash can at the bottom. So you don't need to have this all the time. But if I click this back button here, it will open up. Now with his permission, I'm using Ruben's account so that it doesn't look like my account, it looks like yours. So with it here, I can have a look at all of the different things. So here I've got my own notebook if I want to make any notes without everybody seeing and Miss Evans seeing. But if I go on to Orchard Poplar, it will have all the things that are to do with Poplar class and that Miss Evans may have set us. So I've got from today's little online session, we've got our collaboration space. If I click back again, see where the little yellow tab is above, it says collaboration. Now I've put a page on there that says good ideas for environment poems. If you have a really good idea that you want to share everybody, you can type away your ideas. Okay, you can put your ideas on there. Now everybody will see that. That won't just be your work. Everyone will see it. So you don't need to put your whole poem on there, but just perhaps some ideas. Now on the left hand side, I'm going to go back again and I'm going to go back to this little bit here. Now I could use Miss Evans's model that she put up there earlier. So this is Miss Evans's that she did this morning. You can see SE, this is Miss Evans's writing. Okay, but you won't be able to edit this. You won't be able to touch and write on it. So let's go back. And now I'm going to do my own poem. So I'm now going to go on to, now because it's English, we're writing a poem. It's not going to be in class notes. It's not going to be in, it is going to be in English. Okay, and Miss Evans, a little bit later on, she'll put her first bit of the poem in there so that you can carry on with it. And then what I'll be able to do is I'll be able to go and review it. So there's just a little different way, if you're getting a little bit bored of perhaps writing, a different way that you can record your English. We're going to do it step by step. So at the moment, I'm just going to be putting the English on there so that I can see some of your writing. But we'll see how we go from there. If you've got any questions, we can always go back over any of the bits. Good luck with it.